Well, the lesson will give you a brief presentation of Uniprimary HTML. Actually, what is HTML? HTML is mother tongue of all your browsers. To make a long story short, HTML was invented in 1990 by the scientist called Tim Berners-Lee. The purpose was to make it easier for the scientists at difficult universities to gain access to each other research documents. The project became a bigger success, and that Tim had ever imagined by inventing HTML. He laid to the foundation for the web as we know it today. HTML is a language which makes it possible to present information, example, scientific research on the internet. What you see, you have viewed the page on the internet, is your browser interruption of the HTML. To, the, to see the HTML code of the page on the internet, simply click View on the top menu of your browser and choose Source. For the untrained eye, HTML looks like a complicated, but these tutorials will help you make sense of it all. How can I use HTML for? What can I use HTML for? If you wanted to make website, there is no way around HTML. If you are using a program that create websites such as Dreamweaver, a basic knowledge of HTML can make a lot of simple and a website a lot better. The good news is that HTML is easy to learn and use. In just 2 lessons for now, we have learned how to make your first website. HTML used to make a website is simple as that. Okay. But what makes HTML stand for? HTML is an abbreviation of Hypertext Markup Language, which is already more than you need to know at this stage. However, for sake of a good order, let us explain in the greater detail. Hyper. It's the opposite of linear. In good old days, when a mouse was something a cat chased, computer programs learned it. When the program had executed one action, it went to the next line of after that. The next line is so on. But HTML is different. You can go whatever you want whenever you want. For example, it's necessary to visit MSN before you visit HTML.net. This is a safe explanatory. Markup. It's what you need to do with the text. You are marking up the text of same way you do in text editing programs with headings, bullets, and bold text and so on. Language is what HTML is used many English words. In this tutorial, we'll learn so-called XHTML extensible hypertext markup language, which in short is new and well structured way of writing HTML. Now we know HTML and XHTML stand for. Let's get started. What you love website. Continue with the next lesson. Thank you for watching video.